All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I was going to wash some equipment and I always wanted to try one of these out. This is a pressure washing cannon. Anyway, I was looking at getting the one that everybody's talking about from Harbor Freight for $32, but they didn't have any in stock and they have a hard time keeping them in stock. But this one I bought out at Lowe's and it was $34, so we're gonna check it out and see how it works out. Then I got this TurtleWax Max Power car wash. If you see here, right here, it's got the little foam spray and ready. And it's got that little icon on it, so I imagine that's what it's for, the spray foamers. We'll try it out. Now we'll open it up and see what it looks like. Well, here's the tip. Looks pretty heavy duty. Imagine this goes on here like that. I haven't read the directions yet, but can't be too complicated. I'll go ahead and read the directions and see what it's like. Well, it looks like it's got a spray nozzle here, or a dial, where you can turn it. To the left is positive and that other way is negative, so one opens it and one closes it, and it's got the little quick disconnect that fits right on the power washer wand. So we'll get this hooked up and I gotta see how much soap I need to put in it. Well, there's no fill line. There's over here on this side, there's lines for measurement of soap. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fill it. Let's just fill it about a third of the way up and then we'll start washing and see how that works. Nozzles, the inlet's real small there. Good thing I have this clean funnel that hasn't been used yet. Well, what are you doing there, buddy? I was wondering where you were at. Found a nice, cool place to chill out? All right, buddy. All right, I got my spray nozzle here. Just gonna take this one off. Hopefully that, wow, there it goes. Hopefully this fits right on there. Uh-oh. There it goes. Well, we'll go ahead and wash up the 755 here and the Woods mower. We'll soap it all up. Then we'll go ahead and soap up the Squarebody. But as you know, we got a lot of rust, so we don't want to hit it too hard with the high pressure. May not be much of a truck left. it foamed up fairly decent, and it might have something to do with the soap I'm using. But I also noticed on the dial, if you turn it to negative, is where you get your foaming at. So I also lost one of my, I don't know, my spray nozzles. The white one went flying and I can't find it, so I have to look around for that a little more. Then we'll go ahead and try to wash the Squarebody up a little bit. And another thing, I had that about 3/4 of the way full. I pretty much used all the soap in it. But that was my first time using it, and I don't know how much soap I had it at full blast soap. But we'll wait till this thing dries and see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I mean, it looks just as good as when I hand wash it, so. All right, that's good enough. One good thing about using that spray cannon is you don't have to use a sponge. Especially with this old Squarebody, it's got so much rust. You know, you look at that and you think, oh, that's dirt. No, that's rust. And down here you think, oh, that's a bunch of dirt there. But no, it's just the paint chipped off. And that's the gray primer underneath. But all in all, it worked pretty good. It washed up. This is dry, so I mean, like I said, that's all rust on there. Well, that's it for the cleaning. I got everything power washed off. It looks fairly decent for what it is. You know, an old rusty pickup. But I didn't have to do no sponging or anything. The John Deere 55 cleaned up pretty good. It's got a lot of little chips and stuff. But I might try a different soap. Maybe something that foams up better or takes the dirt off better. And I ended up using about half of that bottle. And here's an update on the weather here in Mason County. It's dry, really dry. And my old solar powered clothes dryer, aka clothesline, is really getting a lot of bird crap on it. I have to wash this off and paint it again. But also we haven't been getting any rain, so usually the rain will wash that off, or a lot of it off. Well, that's going to be it for this video. This sprayer foam cannon, it worked fairly decent. It was easy to hook up to the power washer. It didn't leak. A lot of times you buy stuff like this, it leaks water and stuff. So far it doesn't leak, you know. And this stuff here, like I said, I used about half of this on washing 2 pieces of equipment there, a truck and a tractor and a mower. That's quite a bit of, well, maybe I'm not used to it too. Maybe I'm putting too much soap on it. You know, I was trying to get it really foam up. But anyway, if you've ever used one of these, you leave a comment down below what you like, or if you use a certain type of soap that works real good. I heard there's one brand called Andy's Clean or something that works real good. And I still might try to get one of them Harbor Freight ones, because a lot of people say good things about them. But anyway, that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to, you can subscribe to see more. And thanks for watching.